So here we are in the Riverside area of Jacksonville, Florida, to visit a joint where the chef was born and raised in Spain. Now, since he was about 16 years old, he's been cooking in his family's Spanish-style restaurants, till he finally opened his own. This is 13 Gypsies. It goes from coconut mango curry chicken
So great.
to hummus with honey to this really old world favorite.
The Roman gnocchi.
Not your grandma's dumplings.
This is actually the first documented style of gnocchi.
Let's get it going.
All right, extra virgin olive oil. We slice our garlic fresh.
Every time you make this dish,
Add your milk.
it's actually your milk. The whole milk?
Yep,
Is that my salt or your salt?
that's my salt. Slowly stir in the semolina flour.
And this is so we don't get clumpage.
Yep, so when we start getting towards the end, then we just dump it all in.
My efforts of making this unlumpalicious, and he just goes and just dumps everybody in the pool.
We add our melted butter.
I like how it just became our, and I'm doing all the stirring.
I could have had you do something that required deblinging. We're gonna add in our egg yolk,
Nice color out of that.
a whole lot of Parmesan cheese.
All right,
That's it.
you take it, put it
Yep.
on the tray, flatten it out.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
She eats it right off the cookie sheet.
Gosh. So we're cooled down.
Yep, cut some squares out, stack it 3 high. We just cut it in half into our rectangles, separate them and wrap them in wax paper and then saran wrap. And in the fridge, and hold it until it gets ordered.
Then how will we heat it up?
We pan sear it, and you get 3 per order. It gets covered in a mushroom sauce, a little salt, lots of black pepper. Fresh thyme. All right, we're gonna add our beef stock.
Make yourself?
We do. Sauce is reducing, add butter. The other side of this is browning.
Ooh, look at that.
So gnocchi's done. We've got to get them off here onto a plate.
And then pour this over the top of the Roman gnocchi.
Finish it off with a little Asiago, provolone, Romano, and Parmesan. There you go.
This is mega flavor. Super creamy, but because of the way you crisp it up, reminds me of polenta. The gravy that goes along with it is simple, yet wow, it's a lot of flavor. I don't think I've ever had anything like this. Nice job.
Roman gnocchi.
A different kind of gnocchi than I've ever had before. Delicious. It's definitely a different texture than I've had. It just melted in your mouth. It's really good.
I'm here in a great Triple D town, Philadelphia, in Southwest Center City, to check out a joint that for 60 years was just a shot and beer place. Now, it's 3 stories of upscale bar food. This is Sidecar. And that's also a sidecar.
It's a neighborhood joint. And the food is fantastic.
Some of the best that I've ever tasted.
You just feel like you're a part of something.
Yep, part of Adam Ritter's midlife crisis.
I was working in sales. I was selling forklifts and warehouse designs. I wanted to become a chef. I wanted to open up something like this.
So he cut to the chase and picked up this property in 2005.
Next thing I know, my wife and I own a shot and beer bar.
So you weren't even in culinary school yet?
No.
That's when he leaned on Brian Lofink, a local who is a culinary grad.
It's an incredibly original menu, and everything that they come up with is a twist on something that I know.
But don't be expecting your mama's burger
Pinky burger up.
or your granny's clam chowder.
They actually have potato gnocchis in there, and it's so heavenly good. Oh, to die for.
Clam chowder gnocchi.
Yep, it's our little spin on a clam chowder.
Let's roll. Hot potato?
Hot potatoes. We're gonna cut these in half. You gotta do it right away, otherwise the potatoes get real gummy and then it makes like a really poor product.
I take it we're gonna just kind of rice them through this.
Take it right here, pop them right out. Now with this spoon, we push them right through.
I like the method, man.
Yeah, it works out pretty good. Then at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season it with freshly ground black pepper, some salt, butter, some extra virgin olive oil. There we go. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs in here.
Going pretty rustic on this one.
That's what we do. A little chive.
This is awesome.
And we're gonna mix all this up together.
Okay. All with a bench knife.
That's it. Everything's all mixed together and happy now.
Okay.
Then we add in our flour. We're just gonna cover the top of it here. We don't mix it all together because it creates too much gluten. So we're gonna cut this baby in half, and we're just gonna keep folding over top, pressing it and pressing it.
Kind of almost in the biscuit theory.
Exactly.
I don't think I've ever done the cut and stack. This has got to be some nice and light gnocchi, huh?
Yeah, pretty much just melts in your mouth.
I like this method.
So after we get it all mixed together, we're gonna let it sit for about a half hour. We had a chance to rest, so we take this off, just dust this a little bit of flour, cut a little edge off like that.
Okay.
We roll it out nice and light. Be gentle with it. Then we just kind of come to the edge here and cut down.
Yeah.
Sprinkle some bench flour over top of it.
So they don't dry out. Scoop them up.
Just toss it up.
Beautiful. All right, so now we're gonna go and make the clam stock.
We're gonna take our clams, little neck clams, by the way.
That was quiet.
It's the loudest thing we do here. Then we're gonna take our onions, add them in, carrots, celery,
So the mirepoix.
a little bit of garlic, fresh thyme, fresh parsley, bay leaf, whole black peppercorns. We just cover this with water.
This will also make the broth.
Yep. Cover this with foil.
Fire it up, let them go 10 minutes. You'll strain it.
These are the cool clams that we're gonna pick for our clam chowder. We're gonna assemble the whole clam chowder right here. So we got applewood smoked bacon here. We're gonna get nice and crisp. Add in our shallot, garlic, get a light toast on this. Add in our clams, clam stock. Gonna drop our gnocchi. These gnocchis are rising, so we're gonna add these to our pan. The starches from these gnocchi is gonna kind of help thicken the sauce. Now a little cream.
Mount it with
We
a
got
little
a little butter. Season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper.
Tighten it up.
Now we're ready to plate.
It's ridiculous.
Take some of our crispy shallots here.
Shove them in my face.
And we finish it with a little celery leaf salad.
Very nice. The gnocchi's delicate, depth and flavor, and get a little bit of the clam and the creaminess. But it's not the creaminess in the sauce, it's the creaminess in the gnocchi itself. And then the salad on it. The salad on the top is what makes it. Wow. This is literally one of the best gnocchi dishes I've ever had.
Oh, awesome, man.
Amazing.
Clam chowder up.
Gnocchis are so light and fluffy.
The salt and the cream ratio is like just right.
And that little celery salad on top,
Very nice.
forget about it. Oh,
It's excellent.
it's ridiculous.
Real food, nothing pretentious.
Inventive and interesting.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
I'm telling you, you won it. You got Jenny, you got the sidecar, and then you named the joint.
The big winner, huh? Chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Watch out for this guy. So I'm here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now, we get recommendations for Triple D joints from a lot of people. But in particular, when your crew that shoots Triple D, hold on. This crew right here, when they tell you that you gotta come check out a pizza joint that's right down the street from their house, well, you know I'm there. This is Red Wagon Pizza.
On me pizza.
It's a different kind of pizza joint. So neighborhood, so right.
Dropping a Popeye?
Kind of feel like you're inserting yourself into someone's family tradition.
Because you kinda are. One that Peter Campbell's grandparents started long ago. That's your grandfather.
That's my Nana in the middle and my mom on the far left. In the late 40s, Pop-Pop would do these pizza parties in his basement, and the community would come out.
And Peter picked up where his grandpa left off when he opened the doors here in 2014.
Anything you order is gonna be great.
Two tortellinis walking to the window?
The tortellini looks like it should be a 4-star restaurant.
Homemade pasta. They make their ricotta.
Now we're gonna make the ricotta.
Yeah, 2 gallons, whole milk, heavy cream, lemon juice.
Apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna give it a little heat.
It's low heat.
We're gonna separate.
The curd from the whey.
You'll run it through the cheesecloth.
Hang it in the cooler overnight.
You're going for a really dry ricotta.
Correct. Now we're gonna make the spinach puree. Start with ice, blanched spinach, sauteed garlic, onion, salt, pepper, and a wee bit oil.
That I like.
Boom.
That now mixed with ricotta into the
Yes.
piping bag. You also make the pasta?
Oh yeah.
You're killing me.
This is not a one-bite tortellini. All right, so you ready for this, homie?
See it, Holmes.
So we have the spinach ricotta at the top. Drop the thumbs, lean it forward.
Right.
So you get the scoop, and boom.
You're a gangster.
What up?
Dog.
So we're gonna drop the tortellinis that we just made. We're gonna reduce some white wine and a cheesy bechamel. Now add the ham,
Fresh peas.
the tortellini. We're gonna reduce this down a little bit more. Delicately dry. Little oil, our gremolata.
What's in the gremolata?
Parmesan, a red pepper flake, and oregano.
Beautiful looking plate. Nice and pillowy. It's fantastic. We play full speed. We only have a 10. Like the knob got broken at 10. Outstanding.
Fabulous.
I would not expect a tortellini that good to be found at a pizza place.
It's the place you have to go. You just have to try it.
So I'm here on the south side of St. Louis, Missouri, at one of the highest points in the city known as the Hill. Now, this area is loaded with great Italian restaurants and specialty stores. So I'm here to check out a little joint that's Italian. You think I'm gonna say Italian-American. That's what you're thinking, Italian-American. But no, it's something we don't see on Triple D that often. It's Italian-Greek, owned by two brothers. This is Antonino's Taverna. They notice out there on the walls, you have awards. You've won Best Italian Restaurant and Best Greek Restaurant.
Right, we have.
Not many people get to do that.
Right, that's pretty neat.
Especially when you're talking about an appetizer that's rocking a third influence.
Toasted raviolis?
The city itself.
Toasted raviolis.
It's a St. Louis finger food. We're gonna make toasted raviolis.
A little ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ricotta cheese.
Ricotta, pecorino romano.
Do you speak Greek?
I only know black pepper, salt. You know, a little here and there.
You know how to get yelled at.
I know how to yell at and cursed out.
Some onion.
Some onion, raw onion.
Granulated garlic.
Granulated garlic.
Okay.
We'd like to give this a nice paste.
Paste. We don't want texture in this?
No, we want it to be smooth, real smooth and fluffy. They're like little meat pillows.
So the meat pillow mixture is made?
Yes.
Now we're gonna make with that apparatus?
With that apparatus that we had specially made.
I've been to like every Italian market across the country. I have never seen this monstrosity. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so first we're gonna take our dough ever so gently.
Where do you get the sheets of pasta?
Fresh from a local pasta maker.
Good, from a cobbler wouldn't be such a great idea.
No. And I'm gonna brush egg wash on there. Get the mixture.
So you just plop those in there?
Yes.
How many raviolis you guys go through a week?
About 1,500.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Here, I'll let you take care of it. You can guide us to the promised land.
Air pockets.
Can't tell that you've done this 9,000 times.
Right, yeah. Center it. We're just gonna press it there.
It drops into its holes.
And then we just bring it down. That's it, right there.
That's a big ravioli, brother.
Oh, yeah.
In the Italian breadcrumbs, ready to rock and roll. And our marinara's ready to rock?
Yep, this is a family recipe.
Oh, hurry up.
All right, let's go.
Oh.
Let's do it.
If the dough hasn't been cooked, it's gonna fry up, so it'll be nice and crispy.
Yes.
How are we looking? Ready to go?
Yeah, I think so.
This is a regular order?
Yeah, it's a big order. Yeah, it's a regular order. Fresh Romano on there.
Got a nice bite to it. A lot of flavor. What I like about the marinara, a San Marzano, a ton of basil, a little bit of sweetness. It works together with the ravioli incredibly well.
Yeah, thank you.
And look at the amount of filling that goes inside of this. Good, old school.
Sure.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. I said that's ridiculous. I love coming to these, these historic areas of cities and seeing where all this ethnic influence happened, and the food is legit. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate
What do we do? Watch out for these guys! I'm here in a cool little town called Geyserville in the Northern California wine country to check out a place that I kind of have some history with. I imagine a coach feels really proud when one of his players turns pro, because that's how I feel when one of my guys that's worked with me in my restaurants ventures out to open his own place. That brings us here to Catellis.
Here we go, folks. Get your food ready.
Where Nick Catelli
What do we got, DC?
and his sister Dominica
Spaghetti DC sauce.
have come home.
My Nonni and Nono, Virginia and Santi, opened Catellis in 1935.
And Nick and Dominica figured
Table 11.
they'd be running it someday.
As we've always dreamt of it.
But the family lost the business back in '91.
Hello, Mama. Hey, Papa.
Once that happened, my sister and I were very adamant, we will open this again, and it will be the family business.
And it is, since they took over a year ago.
Sliders here, sweetie.
And started serving the old Catelli classics.
Nani's minestrone.
How does the food taste? It's delicious.
Chicken sauté sick. I just absolutely love it.
Ravioli coming up.
With the butter garlic sauce, it's delicious.
It's thin, it's cooked to perfection.
All made by hand every day.
Seriously, just like Grandma Catelli's.
We are making the rav filling. The pork butt.
So you cut the strips.
Before it goes into the grinder.
I want that as a ringtone.
So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the slurry that seasons the pork with Chardonnay, whole black peppercorns, fennel seed.
Principal items in sausage.
Yes, red pepper flakes, fresh thyme, ton load of garlic, fresh ground nutmeg, and salt. We don't have a lid for our blender anymore
In
for some
true
reason.
Catelli style.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's ready to roll. That goes in here, then we just squish it, and this is going in the fridge for 2 days.
To really let those flavors come out.
Absolutely.
What in the world are we into now?
We're gonna roast off the meat. Big beef chunks.
Chicken.
Skin on, and then here's our house-made sausage. If you can grab the olive oil.
Got it.
And give me a good douse and drizzle on here and salt and pepper. And we're gonna roast this.
Going at 450 for how long?
30 to 40 minutes. We have to mix all our veg.
Okay.
Onion, celery, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, Swiss chard.
Look at this. Such great texture, great flavor.
Salt, pepper. Yep, and then that's gonna go in.
Into the oven?
For about 40 minutes.
All right.
You're gonna dump the meat.
And the juices.
Into there.
Smells awesome. So the bread gets mixed in.
Let's get all the veg in there. Now we're gonna put the pecorino.
Okay.
And Parmesan.
Thyme.
Basil.
Italian parsley?
Yes.
It smells so good.
Rosemary, salt, some pepper, sage, and then eggs.
Then we're gonna go back to the grinder.
Yes.
Now I can't hold this and be over there eating any of that at the same time.
That's part of the plan.
Look at that.
And you can taste it at this point.
You put that in a flip-flop, that would taste good. All right.
We're making the dough for the ravioli. Put the eggs in, and then we're gonna pour the Ethiopia Zero flour.
Super fine flour. So mix it up, pull it out, knead it a little bit more, let it rest.
Yes, and we're gonna cut off a piece, roll it out.
How many times is this gonna go through?
11.
You got 27 hours in a day here?
So this is gonna be round 1. Crank it down and just keep going. Okay, we're going down to 1, and this is when we're gonna read the newspaper. Can you read it?
That's nuts.
So the meat filling.
It's just like therapy. I feel good about me.
Okay, we're moisturizing. Lay this on top, press down, and we're gonna make our little square, so then you can make it pretty.
Then we're gonna quick freeze them, and please, after that, can we eat?
Yes, let's boil the wraps. When they float to the top, we're gonna pull them out.
What fantasticness are you tossing that in?
Butter, garlic, salt, parsley, and a pinch of Parmesan cheese. Manja.
Wow, so tender, delicate, and so rich. Small, dainty, handmade perfection is what this is. This is one of the best raviolis I've ever had.